Hey everyone, it's Olivia, and today I'm going to show you how I make a super easy eggplant and tofu dish. The first thing that I'm going to do is grab some of this pad thai sauce that I have and heat this up in a pan. I don't have that much left, so I added some water. Next, I'm going to chop the eggplant into cubes and then place this into the sauce and let it slowly cook. I keep this on low heat while I'm chopping the other vegetables and the tofu. Next, I'm going to chop up a green pepper, a red pepper, and a red onion. You can chop up any peppers that you would like. I'm going to place these in a lightly oiled pan and go ahead and let these cook on low heat as well. Go ahead and chop up your peppers or just rip it apart like I decided to do. As you chop the peppers, go ahead and add them into the onion mixture and continue to cook that on low heat. If your eggplant needs some more moisture, you can go ahead and add some water or a little bit of sesame oil. Next, we're going to chop the tofu, and I never can seem to get them in perfect slices, but I've found that if you cut along the top down with thin rows and then wider columns and then slice through the center, you can get a nice slab type shape. I found that this works best for me. Go ahead and add your tofu to an oiled pan. You can add a little sesame oil or olive oil, it's up to you. While all this is cooking, I like to start the rice so that it will be ready when everything else is. Now I'm going to go ahead and add the peppers to the eggplant mixture. Go ahead and stir this together, and now you can add some garlic or soy sauce or any other seasonings that you would like. Sometimes when cooking my tofu, I like to add a little nutritional yeast and some sesame oil to give it a little bit more flavor and texture. Now you can go ahead and add your tofu in with your vegetables and eggplant. Fill your bowl with rice and top with your eggplant and tofu. And now you're ready to eat. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, go ahead and like and subscribe for future videos. Thanks for watching.